Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export your video as a GIF in CapCut PC. It is actually pretty simple. Select your video. You can add in a style to it, or where is okay, I guess somehow the effect disappeared. You can add in some effects to it or some filters to it if you'd like. I'm trying to find the velocity, but somehow it disappeared. But just select export, and you're going to select export as GIF. If you want more high quality GIFs, you do have to use the pro feature, but there's a free one. Select export, and it's going to be exported as a GIF, and that's pretty much it really. Here, I'll show you the final result. It is now a GIF. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!